Now shifting focus, another incident of cloudburst has been reported from Uttarakhand. Now this cloudburst struck Chamoli district of the state on Friday night, causing extensive damage across the region. In fact, the Tharali-Gwaldam road was hit hard as large amounts of debris swept through homes and other buildings in the area. We're given to understand that several vehicles parked at the Tehsil complex were also buried under the debris. In fact, the heavy flow water and debris turned the town streets into temporary ponds. We're getting you visuals on your screen from Chamoli, where the district has now been hit by another cloudburst. In fact, you can see a stream of mud and debris sweeping through the entire stretch of that area. In fact, several vehicles you can see which were parked in the area, they've been damaged. And how this entire stream of mud and debris has swept through the area. Remember, these are initial reports that are percolating on the story, and we're getting you visuals direct from Chamoli, where this cloudburst has hit the district. In fact, now in this cloudburst, the Tharali-Gwaldam road, visuals on your screen of that, in fact, has been hit hard. And this as the large amounts of debris swept through homes and other buildings. And this, of course, has come that continuous rainfall is also being witnessed in the state. Remember, Uttarakhand has been witnessing the fury of monsoons for the past few weeks now. This is not the first incident to be reported from the state. In fact, we have seen a series of cloudbursts being reported, not just from Uttarakhand, in fact, from Himachal Pradesh as well. And now the latest we're getting is from Chamoli district, which was hit by a cloudburst on Friday night. It's caused extensive damage across the region, we're given to understand. And in this case, specifically the Tharali-Gwaldam road, it has been hit hard. We're getting you visuals from Chamoli on your screen, how this cloudburst has left behind a trail of destruction, in fact. And what's more alarming is that the continuous rainfall, in the state, it's causing a lot of difficulties for the rescue operations, in fact, to continue at the site. Several vehicles also came under this whole stream of debris and mud that came along with the cloudburst, in fact. We're getting you visuals from Chamoli, viewers, right now, where a cloudburst has hit the district and left behind a trail of destruction. Massive damage has been caused. You can see on your screen a stream of debris and mud flowing through the district, in fact, and causing extensive damage to anything that came in its way, in fact, whether it was vehicles, shops along the stretch as well. This has caused a lot of inconvenience to people as well, in fact, in the area. And rescue efforts are continuing, but they have been hampered by continuous rainfall. And the series of disaster after disaster in the state caused by the fury of monsoon has caused a lot of inconvenience to the people of this hilly state, in fact. Visuals on your screen also showing you the extensive damage that this cloudburst has now caused. As of now, viewers, we're given to understand that 2 people are missing due to this cloudburst hitting Chamoli district. Remember, it happened late Friday night. And in fact, it's not just Chamoli. Several areas around Chamoli as well, they've been continuously they've been lashed by heavy rainfall. Especially when we talk about the Tharali development block, extensive damage has been caused by continuous heavy rainfall. In fact, we're given to understand that this debris that came along with this cloudburst, it has entered several homes as well, multiple shops that were in its way, several vehicles, as you just saw on the screen, they've been damaged in this. So clearly, severe destruction being caused by this latest incident that has now hit the Chamoli district. Unfortunately, 2 people also remain missing, we're given to understand. And of course, the Tharali-Gwaldam road, it has been hard. We're given to understand that the Chief Minister of the state is continuously monitoring the situation. They're trying to understand what is the extent of the damage caused by this incident, and of course then work on the rescue efforts as well. Remember the Tharali-Gwaldam road, it has been hit hard. Several vehicles have been swept away by this stream of mud and debris essentially. Several homes, shops, anything basically that was in the stretch of that stream has been swept away. 2 people remain missing in fact. Several cars and vehicles in fact. Now as of now we are given to understand that rescue efforts are on to find the people who have been missing and to assure that help reaches all those who have been affected by this. The Chief Minister of the state in fact is continuously monitoring the situation. Rescue teams are trying to take the stock of the situation, understand what's the extent of the damage on the ground, and then of course begin the rescue efforts. But this is the latest we're getting in. This cloudburst caused a stream of debris and mud to hit the Chamoli district, and anything essentially that came on its way, whether it was vehicles, whether it was residential homes or shops, they've been swept away. And what's more alarming is that continuous rainfall in the area also continues to hamper the rescue efforts that have to take place on the ground. In fact, when we talk about the weather forecast, remember the India Met Department has also sounded orange alert in Uttarakhand. They warned of thunderstorms, lightning and also intense rainfall in several areas including Dehradun, Tehri, Pauri area, Garhwal, Uttarkashi, Chamoli, Rudraprayag. So several areas are said to witness continuous heavy rainfall, and which is essentially causing a lot of difficulties for people living in these areas. On one hand, they are already witnessing severe destruction caused by these disasters, and on the second hand, the recovery efforts, the rescue efforts, they continue to being hampered by the rainfall. We're getting you visuals on your screen. This is the extensive damage that has been caused by the latest cloudburst that hit the Chamoli district. See the debris that has come along with it. It has entered homes, it has entered shops, it has swept away the vehicles that were parked at the road. In fact, remember the major road that had been hit hard in this cloudburst is the Tharali-Gwaldam road. Visuals on your screen from people who've been affected by this disaster, and essentially showing that how this cloudburst has now left behind a trail of destruction. The water, the debris has entered the homes of people, vehicles and shops, they've been damaged. Now remember, the rescue efforts are on. Uttarakhand's Chief Minister, he's taken stock of the situation. He's continuously monitoring all the developments that are taking place on the ground and assuring that the help reaches all those who have been affected by this disaster. In fact, the alarming thing of course remains that the weather forecast has not been good. There is intense rainfall expected in all of these districts, in fact including Chamoli. And orange alert also remains in place for the state of Uttarakhand.
थराली में रात में अतिवृष्टि से जो है थराली शहर हो गया, तहसील परिसर हो गया, बागवाड़ा गाँव हो गया, चेपड़ो हो गया, आसपास के इलाकों में काफ़ी अतिवृष्टि हुई, काफ़ी जो नुकसान हुआ है। और मलबा आने से जो है एक कविता नाम की महिला जो है 20 साल की दब गई है वहाँ पे महिला, और एक व्यक्ति गंगा जोशी जो है चेपड़ो में लापता है, 72 साल की एज है। रात में ही हम लोगों ने मूव करा दिया था, DRF की टीम थी, SDRF की टीम थी, DDRF की टीम हमारी टीम थी, मूव करा दिया था क्योंकि रास्ता का ये ब्लॉक हो गया है और इसलिए जो है बहुत दिक्कत हो रही है लोगों को। और बाकी तहसील के स्टाफ जो है, प्रशासन जो है वहाँ लगा हुआ है राहत कार्य में। इसके अलावा हम लोगों ने रिलीफ कैंप बनाए हैं। SJVN का जो है ये कुसारी में जो है इनका परिसर है, इसमें जो हम लोगों ने रिलीफ कैंप बनाया, यहाँ पर लोगों की भोजन व्यवस्था, ठहरने व्यवस्था की जा रही है। इसके अलावा देवाल में भी जो है जो DMN का जो है गेस्ट हाउस उनका है, वहाँ पर भी हम लोग जो है रिलीफ कैंप बना रहे हैं। जिलाधिकारी महोदय अर्ली मॉर्निंग ही निकल चुके हैं वहाँ के मौके के लिए, पहुँच चुके हैं वहाँ पे।